بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Welcome all. Today we will learn how to burn an ISO file to a DVD disk to make the DVD a bootable disk so that you can use it to install operating system in a computer. We will use a built-in tool in Windows known as Windows Disk Image Burner. The nice thing about this tool, it comes with the Windows, so you don't need to download any application. It's built in the Windows. And we will use this tool to burn an ISO file to a DVD. Of course, you have to have an optical drive in your computer, either internal optical drive like this one, or an external optical drive that can be connected through USB port. Now, in our case today, we will burn this ISO file, which is for Windows 11. And of course, you can burn ISO file for any other operating system, such as Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora, whatever. But today we will use the Windows ISO file. But because the ISO file of Windows normally are quite large, if you look to the size, it is almost 7.5 gigabyte. So it is very important to use the correct DVD disk, because there are two different types of DVD disk. So when you want to buy a DVD disk, you should buy the correct one. Let us see these disks. Now, as you can see, we have different type of DVD disk. The first one, which is known as a single layer disk, the size of that disk is 4.7 gigabyte, as it's noticed here. The second type of DVD is called double layer, okay, which is this one, and you can see the storage capacity is 8.5. So since the ISO file of Windows 11 is greater than 4.7, it's almost 7 gigabyte. So that's very important to buy the correct DVD disk. As you can see, it's written on the disk itself, DL, which stands for double layer. So this is very important. If you use this one, it will give you an error during the burning process. Now here, it shows you how your DVD optical drive will looks like in File Explorer. Now the first picture, when you don't have any disk on your optical drive, this is how it will look like. But when you put a single layer DVD on your optical drive, it will show in that way. And from here you can see the size, it's 4.37 gigabyte. So this is a single layer. But if you insert a double layer like this one, the size will be 7.96. So make sure this is the correct one, because the ISO file is larger than 4.37. I hope this is clear. Now, what are the requirements? Of course, you have to have an optical DVD drive. You have to have the ISO file. As I mentioned, you should have double layer, not black, but blank disk. Sorry for this. So without any delay, let us start our practical part. See you there. Okay, welcome to the practical part. Now I will open my File Explorer. As you can see from here, I already plugged in a double layer DVD disk in my optical drive. And as you can see, the size here 7.96. So I am using double layer disk, not the single layer disk. Now simply you go to the folder where you have the ISO file. As you can see, this is my ISO file, Windows 11, and this is the size. Now to burn it, very simple, just click that one, the ISO file. Then from this menu, you can click the burn here, or you just right click the ISO file. Then from here, you go to show more option, and then you select burn disk image. Now, when you click this one, it may take time to check the ISO file, but once it finish, it give you an prompt to make sure you want to burn it. So you have to be patient here. As you can see here, it show you a prompt, security warning, because this was downloaded from the internet. You simply click the open, and once you click open, the tool will start, which is Windows Disk Image Burner. And as you can see here, if you have more than one optical drive, you choose the one that you put your DVD disk inside it. Now you are ready to click the burn, but normally I advise before you click the burn, you put a check mark here. This means after burning, the tool will verify that the burning is successful, so that you are sure that your DVD is working without any error. So simply now you click burn, and the burning process will start. As you can see from here, burning disk image to a recordable disk. The burning process will start, and after it finished burning, it will start verifying. And once the verifying process finished, then your DVD is a bootable DVD, and you can use it to install the operating system in computer. Of course, in other videos we did this, but not for the DVD, but for the flash memory. Uh, Still, some people they use the DVD if they have some computers. Still, they have optical drive, so they need the DVD, bootable DVD. So this is how you burn an ISO file to a DVD. I hope this is clear, and see you in the next videos. Okay, as you can see, now it finished burning the optical drive, the ISO file to the DVD. Now it is finalizing the disk, and once it's finished, your DVD will be ready. Let us see now. Uh, and by the way, uh, although many people nowadays they use USB instead of the DVD, but for some circumstances, some cases, uh, you may want to use the DVD. Now, let us see once it's finalizing the disk. I hope the burning process is successful, and actually it took time because the size of the ISO file, as you can see, it is really quite large. I hope I will get successful message. As you know, we are in IT. Normally, we like successful messages, not the error messages. Although from the error messages, it still we can learn many things. And as you can see here, the name of the file that is burning, the ISO file. I hope Microsoft in the future they use this tool, the same tool, to burn DVD to USB flash drive. Currently, it only supports optical drive. So in the disk burner here, it shows you only the optical drive. It will not show you the USB drives. I don't know why Microsoft still not supporting USB flash drive, but maybe in the future we hope. Uh, Now it finished the finalizing the disk, and this is the last step, which is verifying the disk. So this is the last step where it will verify that the burning process was successful. Yeah, now it's verifying the disk, and we hope we will get successful message. As you can see, it finished now, and we get this message: the disk image has been successfully burned to the disk. So now you are sure that you have a bootable DVD disk. Then you click close, and now if we go to this PC, now I will eject, and I will put this DVD again. Let us see if it shows the special icon for Windows, which indicates that the DVD is bootable. Let us see now. I hope it will not take time. Yeah, that is excellent. You see, this is the icon that indicate that the DVD is now ready. If I right click and I open, okay, I will see all the files that are needed for Windows installation. Congratulations, we have successfully burned the DVD, the ISO file to the DVD. Thank you again. See you in the next videos.